In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change opacity of object text in Webflow. Easiest way. First, head to your Webflow dashboard and open the site you want to edit. From the project card, click Open in Webflow to launch the designer. Give it a second to load your canvas and styles. Once you're in, make sure the text element you want to fade is selected on the page or in the navigator, so any style changes apply exactly where you expect. Look over to the right-hand sidebar. That's your main styling hub. Click the Style tab to bring up all the visual controls for the selected element. Before we dive into the opacity control, take a quick look at the neighboring tabs so you know where everything lives. Click over to Settings to see element-specific options like IDs and attributes, then tap the Interactions tab to note where animations are configured. Now return to the Style tab. This is where we'll make the change. Scroll to the Effects section within the Style panel. Click Effects to expand it. If it's already open, give it a quick toggle so you can clearly see the group of visual effects available for your element. Inside, you'll find the Opacity control. This is the one we need. Use the highlighted opacity slider to adjust how transparent your text appears. Dragging it left reduces opacity, making the text more see-through. Dragging it right increases opacity, bringing it back to fully solid. If you prefer precise control, click the value and type a percentage. For example, 50% creates a soft, subtle fade that's still readable. As you adjust, keep an eye on your canvas to make sure contrast and accessibility remain strong against the background. If your text has a class, remember you're styling that class, so other elements using the same class will inherit the change. If you want the effect on just one instance, create a combo class or adjust a unique selector before moving the slider. Small tweaks go a long way. Try increments of 5 to 10% until the look feels right. Preview your change in the designer to see how it behaves with real content and interactions. If the text is too faint, nudge the opacity back up. If you're layering text over images or gradients, balance opacity with background colors to keep it legible. That's it. The simplest path to fading text in Webflow is right inside the Style tab under Effects. Save your work, and when you're satisfied, publish to push the